I don't know about you guys, but shopping these days, grocery shopping, has been a pain in the backside. Notice my empty fruit bowls. It's driving me crazy. I used to shop every 2 weeks, load up the cart and head home. But I can't do that at this point from where I am, where I'm living and what's going on. So I just go to the local sort of grocery store and pick up essentials. It's changed the way I cook. It's changed the way I eat. It's changed the way I store food. And I don't really like it. I'm kind of waiting to go back. So I just wanted to know, how are you doing with your meals, your cooking, your food prep, your grocery shopping? Are you the person waiting in Costco for 2 hours? Are you an online shopper staying up till midnight to get that delivery slot? Or are you just doing local as well? So drop me a comment, let me know. I'd love to try and expand my view here on this one. And some hopeful messages from you would be awesome. So until tomorrow, hope you have a good one. Happy eating and cooking.